Hi guys, it's Nunu, and of course I'm here in our English 101 Canvas classroom, and we are in week 3 of the semester. Can you believe it? Now we can click on modules to learn what we're doing for week 3, or we can go down to this handy link here, number 2, learn what's due when here, which is a link to modules. I'm going to go ahead and click on this handy link right here. And so this takes me into modules, which begins with week 9, which was week 1 for us, but week 9 of the traditional 16-week semester. And we are already in week 11 of the traditional 16-week semester, but week 3 for us. We have 3 assignments that are due on November 11th, but do not begin work at the last moment on November 11th. 2 of those assignments you need to begin much sooner. Let's look at discussion 3. What we've got to do. And for discussion 3, you need to post your work by Friday, and evaluate 2 peers' work by Sunday. So that's very important. I'm going to use this back arrow to find out what else we have to do in week 11, which is week 3 for us. We have MLA format lesson number 2, what's in your inbox. And the quote work, the timeline for the quote work is due by 11:59 p.m. on Saturday. Peer evaluations, 10 points, due by 11:59 p.m. on Sunday. So please keep those deadlines in mind. And I caution you not to begin work on November 11th or think that this is the day that you have to have all of the assignments in. The assignments are broken into parts. November 11th is simply our final deadline. Okay. If you have any questions or concerns, I'm here in Inbox. You can reach me here. And I've shown you how to use Inbox in previous videos. And you can also reach me, Nuala Mary Linka, aka Nunu, in General Classroom Building, Office 210D, Mondays and Wednesdays from 12:45 to 2:15 p.m. I've updated my office hours to this time from the morning for your convenience. Okay, let's have a good week. If you have any questions or concerns, I'm here for you, again, during my office hours that I've detailed here, and I'm also in Inbox. All right, we're ready to get started, aren't we? Are you? I am.